I'm not sure if you can hear me with the noise sound of the car wash, but one reason I make this video is the gas prices. The gas prices are really high right now here in Utah. On a long road trip I encountered gas prices up to past $5 a gallon for, what was it? I thought it was for premium, but I wouldn't be surprised if it would be over $5 for 87 at some gas stations. So that's why this video is important. So have a look at it and let me know what you think. Hi everyone, this is just an update on the 2020 Ford Explorer. So today I reached 40,000 miles. I'm at 66,000 miles right now, and I think it's time to do a short update and a review about the vehicle. So what happened is we just went on a trip. The trip was 680 miles long. That's the trip to get to our destination and to get back home. So during that trip I checked the gas mileage on the summer tires, I mean all season tires that the vehicle came with, and as you can see right now we are at 25.7 mpg. We got as good as about 29 mpg, occasionally a little bit over that as well. I do have some screenshots, some pictures I took, and I will put them in the video so you can see it and make up your mind about the mpg. What I noticed is the mileage got better with this vehicle the more miles it got. So past 35,000 miles I noticed that the mileage went up, and that even on winter tires, I mean pure snow tires, which usually the mileage is worse. Why is that? I don't know, maybe someone else does know, but that's just what I found happened with this Ford Explorer. Other than that, the first 40,000 miles have been a little bit bumpy. Just watch my old videos so you can see the repairs that have been done. There has been a couple of repairs that have been done, and thankfully everything on the warranty, which is great, and so it didn't cost me anything. So thank you to the warranty for that. I would say I stick with what I said before. It's a great vehicle. It's still in a good shape. The wear and tear is very minimal. The seats look like brand new. The paint quality and the quality overall is not top notch, but quiet vehicle, very comfortable to go on a road trip like we just did. I will add to that gas mileage that we got between, let's say, 25 and 29 mpg. That was a loaded car, luggage, 2 adults and 2 kids. So I mean there's a difference between just 1 adult or 2 tiny adults or 2 average adults, or you got the you know what I mean. So yeah, and for that, the weight, the added weight, the passengers, it's pretty good mileage for an SUV of this size, because it is a larger SUV and it is not a light SUV. I don't know if there's anything else to add right now. I don't think so. Nothing broke down. The trip was just pretty easy going. I drove slow, got that mileage by driving 70 miles an hour on the freeway. Didn't drive over 70 miles an hour, but of course we also were in some city traffic. We had stop and go traffic. We had to idle for a while. So this is not pure highway traffic. So keep that in mind when you look at the numbers that I provide in this video. And if you haven't seen my old Explorer videos, please do so. It shows you what the repairs or that have been done on the car in the past, as well as a review video about the vehicle and my opinion about it. So will I keep the car probably for a while, and if not, I'll let you know. So thanks for watching. As always, please push that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever you want to do, and have a good day.